Hey there sailors, in this video I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your weapons in Windrose. Now the first thing that you are going to need is press down B on your keyboard and then press down right click to select the building that we're going to need to upgrade our weapons. Now hover over the personal weapons and shift fittings right here and you will be able to find the weaponsmith workshop. However, if the blueprint doesn't pop up, check over to your journal by pressing down J, go over to discovery, and hover over the copper ingot right here. Once you've discovered copper ingots, you'll be able to unlock the blueprints for the weaponsmith workshop, the cutting table, and the sewing rack. So if you don't really find the weaponsmith workshop on your building tab, you're going to have to discover copper ingot first. Alright, now once that's all said and done, you are going to require at least 10 pieces of wood and 5 pieces of copper ingots. And just like every important structure in the game, make sure to read the description right under that building. As you can see, it says allows you to craft and upgrade weapons, but it requires a roof and only works within the bonfire range. Now currently I do have a little hut right here where I already placed my weaponsmith workshop right over here. And over on the top right here you can find 3 selections. Go over to upgrade and choose whichever firearm that you have that you want to upgrade. For now, my best one is the Drake's double-barreled pistol because it is on a higher rarity compared to common. Alright, once I press on it, the resources that I'm going to require are 10 pieces of wood and 5 pieces of copper ingot. Once I press down confirm, it should have leveled up by 1 level. And I do have some leftover resources, so I am going to continuously upgrade this weapon. And that's pretty much about it on how to upgrade your weapons in Windrose.